Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good today. So in today's video I am actually going to do a review on the Minimalist vitamin C serum. This is the Minimalist 10% vitamin C serum. Now I know a lot of you guys wanted me to put a review on this very soon, but I had to take my time to test this vitamin C out. I am not using any other vitamin C serum during this process. I'm only using this product and I have been testing it out under different conditions, under different with different products, if it is compatible with it or not. So that is why I take my time when reviewing a certain product. So I know that a lot of you guys want me to review so many of their skincare products, but it takes really a lot of time to really review a skincare product, put all the points down, what I like about this, what I don't, what I notice in my skin, what difference I notice. So it kind of takes time. So that is why I just want to apologize that my reviews are going to take time to put up, because as I said, I take note of every information that I can gather. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you are someone who is new to this channel or who is seeing me for the first time, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I post makeup and skincare related videos, and I post twice each week, that is Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 7 PM. So tune in or subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell as well if you want to see more of me in your subscription feed. So anyway, let's get started. So first I want to talk about a little bit about what is vitamin C and what it does to your skin, how it is beneficial for your skin, because I know a lot of you guys are skincare newbies or skincare beginner kind of a thing. So I just wanted to just brush on what are the benefits of using a vitamin C serum. Now vitamin C serum is amazing for the radiant glowy skin. I personally have been using vitamin C serum for more than 2 years now, and I have seen tremendous change in my skincare routine, in my skincare, after using this in my skincare routine. So this is actually a very good ingredient for anti-aging purpose as well. Now I know if you are someone in your 20s, you don't need to do anti-aging, but it's always good to take precautions. So it's a very good ingredient for anti-aging purpose as well. The third thing I would say is it actually lightens up your pigmentation. For example, your acne marks or your spots that you have after acne, it kind of goes away. You have dark brown spots, so it kind of lightens those up as well. It lightens up your hyperpigmentation and pigmentation, and overall it just gives a very even toned look. And also I want to say that vitamin C serum, whenever you are using this continuously, over time your skin is just going to be very healthy, very radiant. It's just overall going to benefit your skin in a very good way. So those are all the benefits of vitamin C. I have been loving personally vitamin C serums a lot, and I have used a lot of vitamin C serums. So when to include your vitamin C serum? Now you can include your vitamin C serum in the morning and at night as well. I personally like to include the vitamin C in my morning skincare routine, because at night I can then use a retinol, or I can keep it for my active ingredients, other active ingredients like exfoliating serums or something like that. Because vitamin C is not compatible with all ingredients, so that is why I like to keep my vitamin C in the morning. And since it is an antioxidant serum, it is very important, or it's very beneficial, it's more beneficial when you include this in your morning skincare routine. So now coming on to the Minimalist vitamin C serum. This has 10% of vitamin C serum plus AG in it. It is acetylglucomycin. I really don't know how to pronounce this, so I'll leave it on the screen and you can see. So this AG is 1% included in this. So this actually ingredient is overall amazing for your skin. It just gives you, lightens your pigmentation, works together with vitamin C and lightens your pigmentation. Overall just gives a very healthy and glowy look to your skin, keeps your skin looking very, very hydrated. So the vitamin C included in this Minimalist serum is 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid. I'm so sorry, I just have to read this through the bottle, because I don't know how to pronounce any of these scientific terms. So this actually is a derivative of L-ascorbic acid. Now if you guys know, L-ascorbic acid is a vitamin C. It's a pure vitamin C, and vitamin C are known to be very unstable ingredient. So this actually is a derivative, whatever vitamin C is in here, which is ethyl ascorbic acid. This vitamin C is actually a derivative of the L-ascorbic acid, 100% pure L-ascorbic acid. So it is actually more stable, and this kind of vitamin C is amazing because this is very less reactive. So if you are someone who has sensitive skin, this derivative of vitamin C is going to work really well on your skin. Before, if you have used any other vitamin C serums that is not formulated with this derivative of vitamin C, what will happen is that your skin is going to react, and you might think that your skin is not compatible with vitamin C, but actually in real, this derivative is amazing, and it's actually very less reactive, so it suits more skin type. For example, sensitive skin can also use this without any irritation, and it is a very stable ingredient to use, since vitamin C is very kind of an unstable ingredient, but this derivative is very stable. So the texture of now coming on to the texture of the vitamin C serum, I really love the texture. You do not need a lot of it. It kind of just glides onto your skin. This vitamin C is oil soluble and water soluble. This is, so it is very compatible with your other serums as well. If you are layering this up with your other serums, this is going to be very compatible. It is water based vitamin C. So what happens is that you have to put this in your first serum. First you have to apply this, and then if you have your other oil based serums, you can apply that later on. But first you have to put this vitamin C on, and it just soaks up into your skin really well. So now coming on to my review of this vitamin C serum, what I noticed that this has actually given me a very glowy kind of a feeling to my skin. My skin is looks very glowy and very radiant overall after using this serum. And also I did have a little bit of acne on this area right here. I did have very light brown spots, so they were kind of reduced after using it for a week. But I do have to say that this kind of works after like 2 weeks or so. So this one actually takes a little bit of time than my other vitamin C, but I did notice that there is no irritation with this vitamin C, and also it is very compatible with other skincare ingredients as well, like other skincare products as well. It is very compatible with that, and it just overall gives you that radiant kind of look and even toned look. I have been using this, as I said, for more than a month now, and that is a major difference I notice, is that my skin looks more even toned. And yeah, sometimes when my skin feels very dull or something like that, after using this continuously for 3 days or so, I feel like my skin is back to normal. So that is something that I really loved about this vitamin C serum. Now if you are someone who has a lot of acne scars or acne marks, so any of those pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, I would say that this is going to take some time, maybe like 2 months maximum. This is going to take that much of time, so just give it some time to work, allow your skin to work with this vitamin C. But this, I can assure you that this is going to be very soothing on the skin. It's not going to be irritating at all. That is something I really loved about this Minimalist vitamin C serum. So another thing I want to talk about this vitamin C serum is that it is amazingly compatible with the alpha arbutin from Minimalist. Now I do have the ordinary alpha arbutin too, and it is compatible with that as well. But if you are getting the vitamin C for your pigmentation problem, I would suggest you get the alpha arbutin as well, because both of these work so well. I have used the vitamin C alone, and I have used it with the alpha arbutin as well, and I have noticed that both of these work really well, and they work really fast when paired together. So what I do is I first use the vitamin C serum, then I'll go in with the alpha arbutin in the morning skincare routine, then I'll put on a moisturizer, and then I'll put on a sunscreen, and that's it. So I keep my routine very short and simple. But as I said, pairing the vitamin C with the Minimalist alpha arbutin is just amazing, and I really have seen much more faster results when it comes to pairing these two. So if you are someone who is getting this vitamin C mainly because of pigmentation or acne marks or acne scars, and you want to remove them a little bit faster, try using this along with the alpha arbutin. That way I have seen that they work really fast and the results are really good. So another thing I do want to talk about this vitamin C is that not only this vitamin C or any other vitamin C serum is that it is not compatible with retinol. So don't mix these ingredients together in your skincare routine. For example, keep your vitamin C in the morning with alpha arbutin if you are using an alpha arbutin serum, but do not mix this with retinols, do not mix this with salicylic acid, lactic acid, and do not mix this with glycolic acid as well. So all of those ingredients are not compatible with vitamin C, and also do not mix this with mandelic acid. Now you can mix your vitamin C with your hyaluronic acid, with your peptides, and with other kind of less irritating ingredients, but not with these kinds of ingredients where your skin already can be a little too sensitive. So that's all the information I had to give about this vitamin C. Now this vitamin C, I think it retails for around 600 or something like that. I forgot the price. Yeah, it's $6.99, and I just feel like for 700 rupees this is such an amazing serum. I just see myself repurchasing this, of course. If I fall in love with another vitamin C, then of course, for sure. But currently I do see repurchasing this in the future. I do really like to put this in my skincare routine, and I have seen that my skin actually loves this vitamin C. I have tried a lot of other vitamin C, but I really do like this. And also the body wise 20% vitamin C, I did like that also, but since I'm running out of it, so I just really have been loving this a lot, this particular vitamin C. And I do see that this is such an amazing vitamin C that is compatible, that is stable, less irritating. You don't get to see these kinds of amazing formulated vitamin C in the market, because the price, first of all, is amazing. The second I would say is that it is compatible with so many other serums. You can layer this very easily. The third thing I would say is it actually gives you that radiant looking finish, that even toned look. And the fourth thing I would say is it is very stable, and also it's very less irritating. So if you are someone with sensitive skin, you are searching for a vitamin C, definitely get this one. The only negative or down kind of thing I would say is that it takes a little bit of time. I mean, with the body wise one, vitamin C, with the body wise vitamin C, I did notice that it was way too fast. Like the results I was getting was within like a week or so, but the results with this I had to look very closely, and I did notice that this takes a little bit more time, but honestly it's not that big of a difference. It's amazing. This vitamin C is really good. It's very soothing on the skin as well. It's not going to irritate your skin at all. So that was everything I had to talk about this vitamin C serum. I don't know if there is, I don't think I have left anything. Overall thoughts, I do feel like this vitamin C is amazing. I will be using this throughout until and unless I finish this, and then I'll see if I move on to this one or any other vitamin C. But I really absolutely love this. I do think that 700 is a really good price for such a good vitamin C serum. So yeah, definitely a hit for me. So thank you so much for watching. I love you guys a lot. I will see you all in my next video. And yeah, if you are someone who is new and if you like my review here, please hit the subscribe button. I love you guys a lot, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.